Welcome to Domain. Over the past 3 months, students from the School of Creative Arts and Media have been working in a unit called Making the Event. This has brought together students from across the 4 disciplines in our school to create new work that responds to the topic or concept of Domain. Some students have responded to this site, Domain House, which sits ominously on the hill overlooking the River Derwent to one side and Cununyaa Mount Wellington on the other. It has played a really important part in the social, historical, educational fabric of Nipaluna Hobart, and recently, of course, was the site for the University of Tasmania's apology to the Indigenous people of this state. Please join us in looking at these students' works in progress. Some students are presenting completed work, some are presenting a provocation, some are presenting ideas in flux or emotion. Each of these, of course, have been exacerbated by the context and the climate in which we're working, which is under COVID-19. Where the slipperiness between public and private domains has really come to the fore. The students have worked really hard this semester in adapting to these changing conditions constantly, and they're presenting to you today really rich and dynamic work. Thank you for all of your work in this unit and beyond, and please enjoy walking through the virtual tour of Domain House.